Welcome guys to our new tutorial video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a marquee sliding announcement bar into your Shopify store. Here on the top, you can see that I have added an auto-scrolling marquee announcement bar section in the header. And here, the text that we have added which are continuously auto-scrolling. Here I've added multiple offer text, for example, free shipping, 50% discount, buy one get one. You can also add your multiple offer texts here. You can also change the background color of your text here. You can change the color of the text. You can link your product with the text. You can also reduce and increase the height and font size of this marquee section as you wish. All these features are available in this specific section. So let me show you how you can create this auto-scrolling marquee section into your store. As you can see, I'm currently in the Shopify admin dashboard. Today, I will show you how to do this on the free Dawn theme in Shopify. If you have any other theme, then you can do it in the same way. After coming to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on the online store from the left side. Then click this three-dot icon. Then click Edit Code. If you are not familiar with coding in Shopify, my suggestion is to first duplicate your theme. If you make a mistake in your theme while coding, you can use this duplicate theme as a backup. Now I'm going to click on the Edit Code. Then you will see some folders and files here on the left. First, close these files and folders. Then click on this section folder. Then click on Add a new section. Then select on this liquid option and type the file name Marquee. Then click on the Done button. Then you will see some default codes here. First, delete all these codes and paste here our new code. And that's the code which we will be using, and I will provide the code in the video description and first comment. You just need to copy the code and paste it where I'm going to show you. So copy this all code and go back to your previous tab and paste it into the marquee section that we created. Then, click on the Save button to save your changes. After saving your changes, close this section folder. Then click on the search filter and search here theme.liquid and click on this theme.liquid file. After opening this theme.liquid file, click on any empty space with your mouse. Then press Ctrl and F from your keyboard. Then search by typing this code in the search bar. After searching this code, then this code will be highlighted in front of you. Then after this body text, type this code. And you have to type this code manually. You will find all these codes in my video description, so you don't have to worry about the code. After type this code, then click on this Save button to save your changes. So our work is done. Now we will add it from our theme customization. So to do this, click on this Exit button, then click on Customize. And this is our marquee text section. Now we will customize this section. So to do this, click on this arrow icon, then click on Add Text. After clicking on this Add Text, you will see our scrolling announcement text working. Then click on this text, and here you can add your own text here. Also here you can add an icon with your text. Then click on this arrow icon. Then click on this marquee text, and from here you can change your text background color, text color, section height, and font size. You can change this according to your requirements. After customize with your own text, then click on this Save button to save your changes. I hope guys all you enjoyed the video. If the video is helpful for you, then like the video and give your feedback in the video comment box. This is our new channel, so subscribe to our channel to get such helpful videos for free.